Let's record.
Today, people, I'm gonna have to fix Brett's CD, scratch Brett's CD. Okay, first step is to get a kitchen knife. Oh yeah, and second step, you get a wooden board. Third step, place the brats on the floor. As you can see, there's no scratches, so I'm going to make some. Perfect. This is now half fixed. Now we'll fix it more. Okay, now 75% fixed. As you can see, most of it is gone, which is a good thing, because it will work if it's broken. Now, all you need is a bigger knife, I mean the longer one, and then use this that makes severe scratches. Make sure this is very safe using tonk knives. Job done. It looks so perfect. Let's try it out. There's PS2 here. And other broken pieces, you don't need it. Because if you throw them away, it will work extra good. See, it's working! Now that's my video for today, and thank you very much.